Hello, magandang umaga. Papahinga lang po pagkatapos pong mag-garden. Tapos ayun, habang naglalaro doon ng mga bata. Thankful ako kasi ayan na. Tuyo na po dito sa amin. Nag-i-enjoy na po kami. At ang mga bata dito sa duyan na to. See? Ayun. Nag-i-enjoy na po kami dito. Happy, happy, happy. Thank you. I hope you had a great day today. Thank you for everything. Many of my friends know our struggles of having super big flood here. Pero look at this now. God is answering our prayers. Super in-answer ni God yung prayers ko. See, we are here and then enjoying the breeze of the fresh air under the mango tree. Under the mango tree. And look at our Nara tree. Magpapalit sila ng dahon. Ganon. Ganon ang Nara tree. Nawawala siya. Pero on hot season and summer season, they're gonna have their new leaves. Thank you.